Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can change aspect ratio of videos taking through camera of your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. First, open camera in your phone and go to video mode. And here you are seeing now 1:1 is the aspect ratio. Okay, so 1:1 means square video can be recorded. Okay, horizontal and vertical or square. Okay, whether it is in portrait or landscape, the video captured will be in square. See here, I capture this video, stop it, and I open the video that I took. It's square video. Okay. See here, I capture this video. Okay. So if you want to change the aspect ratio to like a aspect ratio of YouTube video, yes, you can do it. Click here. Click on 1:1, and you will have 9:16. This means uh, aspect ratio 9 in the horizontal, 16 in the vertical. Okay, so for vertical video 9:16 is the standard aspect ratio of YouTube. Okay, you can use it. Then I stop it, and if you flip to the horizontal position, it will change to, see here, 16:9. Okay, that means 16 is the horizontal, 9 is the vertical. So this is the standard horizontal video aspect ratio for YouTube video. Okay, you can use it. Suppose if you want to use other one, that is full screen video, then you can use here full. Okay, so full length will be used for aspect ratio. Okay, full entire length. Okay, entire length of the, that is the aspect ratio of your phone will be used. So it's greater than 16, I think. Okay, see here, I record this video, stop it, and open the video. See here. So in this way, you can easily change aspect ratio for videos taking through camera of your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.